Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have 2009 Pontiac Montana, and in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the front driver's seat. This video will apply to Pontiac Montanas, Chevy Uplanders, and it should also apply to Buick Terazzas because those are all pretty much the same van. Okay, so first, to remove the seat, you want to move the seat all the way to the back. That will give you much more space to work around this area. And now you will have two 15mm nuts to remove. One is here and the other one on the other side. Now you can use either the key to remove them or the ratchet, whichever is easier for you. It's 15mm. Okay, so these are the nuts. Once that is done, you want to move the seat all the way to the front because you will also have two nuts to remove on the back side of the seat. It's also a good idea to move this part as well. That will give you a lot of space to work around here. On the back side of the seat you will have also two nuts to remove, but they are 18mm, also one here and one here, so you can remove those two. Okay, so these are the nuts, and once you have removed them, there is nothing else holding this seat in place. Okay, now to completely remove the seat from the van, what you want to do, you want to tilt the seat to the side or something, so you can get the access to the underneath of the seat, because you will still have one connection to disconnect just up here. Actually, you will have two connections to disconnect. You'll have this black connector and this yellow connector. This one will be for the power to the power seat and things like that, and this one will be your SRS and the airbag. So make sure to disconnect the battery before you unplug anything, because if you don't do that, what might happen once you install the new seat and connect back everything, your airbag light might come on, and if you don't have a scanner that can scan the airbag and reset it, you'll have to go to a mechanical shop or to a dealer to have the code reset for you. So don't forget, disconnect the battery before unplugging any of this. Okay, now to unplug this airbag will have this blue like safety pin here, which you wanna pull out actually. And once you pull it out, you can just disconnect it. Like I'm trying to work with one hand, but it's pretty obvious. You just want to pull it out. Okay, just like that. And this black one, you'll have like a small pin to push just down here, so push it all the way in and then just wiggle this connector off. And that should be it. And that way this seat is now completely loose and ready to be removed from the van. And this is how you remove the front driver's seat from Pontiac Montana, Chevy Uplander or Buick Terazza. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there's lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.